Hello, hello, hello. This is Tiffany Cogdell, EVP and MyEcon, wishing you and your family a happy, no debt holidays. Hope you enjoy the holidays. Hey, we have an awesome promotion going on for limited time only, so wanted to tell you about it briefly. MyEcon is the personal financial success company, and the reason that I got involved with my econ is because one of my good friends posted a quote on Facebook. The quote said, "Everybody's building a business. Why not build your own?" That really, really convicted me and got me thinking, that's a really great idea. If I'm going to spend my time, effort, energy, resources to build somebody else's business, while I go to work Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. and even longer sometimes, why not invest those same things into building my own business? Since I've been in my econ, I've been able to pay off my car. I paid it off in 23 payments, which I'm very proud and excited about. I've been able to increase my credit score. I've also added to my emergency fund. I've funded my retirement account. I began doing that as well as started investing. Also excited about that. And I've been able to cash flow over $25,000 since I've been in the business. Not only that, I started my own business, which is a financial services business that helps you budget and eliminate debt, which you can use the extra money to, like I said, eliminate debt or begin to invest. My company is called That Makes Sense. We're here to help you make sense of your finances. You'll see my number here, 919-307-9749. My email is there. And check out my website at thatmakesense.me. I'm going to jump in and start telling you more about my econ. First, we're 13-year-old, debt-free, technology-driven company based out of Atlanta, Georgia. And my econ has helped this associates cash flow over $400 million. That number is steadily and rapidly increasing. So let's talk about what financial success is. Let's define it. Number one, you have to have enough cash flow to support your current lifestyle during your working years. Plus, you also want to have enough finances to support your retirement years. So many people are struggling working through their current lifestyle and working years. So, how do they expect to live on even less income in their retirement years and be comfortable? Our current American statistics say America is the wealthiest country, yet 69% of Americans have less than $1,000 saved up for an emergency. 68 million have poor credit. 80% feel like they're falling behind, and wages are stagnant. The government has no solution. On top of that, there's several different financial barriers. One of the financial barriers is inflation. So what is inflation? What happens? The value of your dollar goes down as prices of things that you purchase on a regular basis constantly and steadily and gradually increase. So I remember my grandfather, as we would talk, he would always tell me, man, I used to be able to buy a lot of candy for $1. But now when we look, that was years ago. Now, if we go to the store, we can barely get a candy bar for $1. So inflation is such a robber, such a financial barrier, but it doesn't have to be if we have strategies. Taxes is another barrier. As we know, when we get our paycheck, we see how much taxes are deducted and it makes you so upset. But you know what? That can be changed with some education. On top of taxes, we end up in debt because of inflation, because of high taxes, also because of big businesses. How much do we shop at stores like Payless and Walmart and Target and Sears, Best Buy? All of these stores, Apple, we're giving our money to regularly. So by the time we hit inflation, get hit with taxes, buy from big businesses, we're in debt. And what do? We go to the bank and borrow money that we can't afford to pay back sometimes. So we go get in debt, borrow from the bank. They charge us interest on everything along with fees. So we're left with absolutely nothing in the negative a lot of times. But MyEcon does have a solution for that. One, we have more cash flow and better financial strategies. We're going to show you how to do that. Two, we have an income shifting membership, and we'll talk more about that. And you have the opportunity to earn business income. So within the income shifting membership, we teach our associates how to correct their tax withholding. It includes the smart credit system. You're able to minimize taxes using the cash flow manager. Also, we teach you strategies to eliminate debt, as well as investment education, and you have the opportunity on top of all of that to earn business income. So let's break these down one by one. First, when you correct your tax withholding, looking at that, 80% of employees have too much money withheld from their paycheck for taxes. And actually, when you look on the IRS's website, they actually suggest that you fill out your W-4 and use the money to eliminate debt, possibly invest. They're telling you we're not reading it. So you actually, when you fill out your W-4, you tell your employer how much taxes to take out. So if they're taking out too much taxes, it's because you told them to. But guess what? We can teach you how to correctly fill that out, maximize your take-home pay, and of course, you can use the extra money to eliminate debt and or begin investing. So a lot of our associates have adjusted their W-4s. Many of them have earned between $200 and $500 just by correctly filling out their W-4 form. We have the smart credit system, which is step-by-step, easy to follow system that comes with dispute letters. It walks you through exactly how to read your credit report, what steps to take to remove derogatory items. So basically, it helps you repair your credit, shows you how to build your credit, and then equally important, it shows you how to maintain your credit. So this is what I use to help increase my credit score. So exciting to see your score go up. It'll at least help you get your score to 750. Minimize taxes by using the cash flow manager. This software will help you eliminate and cut your taxes, at least cut your taxes. You can download the software right on your phone. It'll allow you to enter your income, your business income, your expenses. You can take picture of your receipts so that if you work in your home-based business, or even if you already have another home-based business, you can take a picture of your receipts. Won't have to carry and find receipts and put receipts in a shoebox, which can be so unorganized. And I'm sure your tax preparer will absolutely love a nicely generated printout, which the app will allow you to do. You can also log your mileage and track your business miles. When you have a home-based business, you have many tax benefits. So you can write off your communications, so a portion of your cell phone bill, and things that you purchase. I purchased a laptop, So I'll be able to write that off because I use it only for business purposes. So I can write off my laptop, write off about 85% of my cell phone bill and use it for business very, very regularly. So that's a tax deduction that'll help you reduce your taxes. If you have a home-based business, you may have an office space where you may use a portion of your house for business meetings or meeting with people, hosting business events. You can write off a portion of your home. A lot of people have cars, drive them anyway. So these are things that you do anyway. You use your phone anyway. You live in your home or apartment anyway. If you're driving a car anyway, you might as well have a home-based business and take advantage of these tax opportunities to lower your taxes. So when you drive business miles, you can track your mileage in your using your software, and you can write that off as well. Another really cool thing is instead of paying your children or grandchildren allowances, you can give them chores in your business and pay them. Pay them to do it. They can be learning business as well as getting paid. And guess what? It's a tax write-off. And you can also deduct your business meals. So as you're eating business or eating lunch with your team members, having dinner or lunch with a prospect, you can write off a portion of your meals. So that alone helps you reduce your taxes. Debt elimination, which is one of my favorites and one that I focus on a lot with clients as well as the other strategies. I had a credit card debt, my car debt, and then student loan debt. So what I did was paid off the credit card, used the money that I was paying toward the credit card to begin putting that towards my car payment. I was making 3 times the car payment, 3 times more than what I needed to because I was so serious about eliminating that debt, and I got it knocked out again in 23 months. So don't let debt rob you. Don't let it keep you in chains. You can get rid of debt using these strategies. Investment education, MyEcon trains us, helps us understand terminology, concepts, and give us strategies to help us make wise investment decisions. We also offer discount products and services. So again, the smart credit system, it can be offered as a product alone. You can offer it to people that you know need help with increasing their credit score, just repairing their credit. We have the ID Defender, the Cash Flow Manager. You can book travel through the membership. We also have Road Assure, which is roadside assistance, and a free cashback mall, which will give you up to 30% cash back on purchases. Again, things that you're purchasing anyway, if you shop online anyway, it's free to just join the cashback mall. You already get a discount when you're using the mall. Why not go on, use it for free, get cash back on the things that you're making purchases on anyway. MyEcon has a world-class compensation plan versus the fastest pay and promotion system. On top of that, you get upfront and residual income. So what happens is the first 2 people that you sign up that purchase the income shifting membership, you get $8 for each of those people. Plus, you get 25% income match on those associates. Once you have 2 people in business, you become executive vice president and you receive $28 on personal enrollees and up to $20 on each team enrollees. So as one of the 2 people that you bring into business, as they bring people in the business, then you make money from them enrolling in the membership. You also get up to $8 monthly residuals on active membership sales. So 3 is the key. So if you bring 3 people in, they purchase the um, income shifting membership. You train them so that they go out, get 3 people, each of them, that's 9 people. Each of them get 3 people. It'll just keep rolling on and on and on. And guess what? Let's say you have 10 people that enroll weekly. That means you would get $200 in pay. Yearly, you would have up to 500 enrollees, which would bring you $3,500 of monthly residual income. Let's say you brought in 100 weekly enrollees. Weekly pay, that would give you $2,000. Yearly enrollees, that would be $5,000, and monthly, $40,000. How incredible. You do earn up to 60% of personal individual retail sales, as well as 20% of team individual retail sales. And remember, you get upfront weekly commissions and compounding residual income. Wow. So again, um, the membership comes with a personalized website, world-class business system, and your income shifting membership. Again, included in the membership is the tax withholding training, the smart credit system. You're able to minimize your taxes and use the cash flow manager software to show you how to use strategies to eliminate debt, provide investment education, and you get valuable tax benefits from the membership. Guess what? You can get started today for only $27.95. 30 days later, the investment is $34.95 monthly just to have a home-based business. Where else can you get a home-based business for such an affordable price? The system is laid out for you. There's a lot of training, incredible networking opportunities, and just a great way to add value to your life and to help you reach your financial goals. Again, my company is That Makes Sense. See my contact information here. It's been a pleasure serving you and giving you this presentation. If you have questions, feel free to text me at 919-307-9749 or give me a call. Shoot me an email at thatmakesense.me@gmail.com or check out my website at thatmakesense.me. Again, happy, happy, happy debt-free holidays to you. Remember, don't go in debt for the holidays. The holidays is not an emergency. So set your holiday budget and stick with it. All right, I'm signing off, but make sure you see the link below to sign up or get back with the person that invited you to watch this video and get signed up. Have a great one.